We have 9 exciting pre-summit courses this year at our 2023 Global TapRooT Summit. I'm here with Barb Carr, and we're going to tell you all about the fun that we're going to be having and learning at our summit this year.
Yeah, we have some great courses coming up at this next summit, and let's start with the new ones first.
Yeah.
So one of our new ones is Effective Communication Certification, which is an exciting one, and that's going to be taught by Vincent Phipps. He's a very popular summit speaker. He's full of energy, and his classes are always so much fun.
Yeah, I was reading along just some information about him. He's in the top, I'll back up, CSP, Certified Speaking Professional, and he's in the, 12% have that title?
Yeah,
Is that right?
11 or 12%, yeah, not many people.
It's very good. So I am very interested in that one, but I'll get to that later. You'll continue on. We've got some others that are new.
We do. We have Measurement, Trending, and Predictive Analytics, and that's going to be brought to us by Kevin McManus. He's developing it right now, and it's just going to be a great opportunity to measure, analyze, and improve daily work.
That's good.
And another one that we have coming, this isn't exactly a brand new one, it's our Executive Leadership course, but the new thing about it is it's a one-day course. And all of our other courses are 2-day courses. So this is an opportunity to get your managers there, and it will help them understand TapRooT, even though they don't do the investigations. It will help them understand it so that they can better support the TapRooT program.
That's excellent. You know, it's hard sometimes for senior leaders to step away for so long. So a one-day course is a great fit to do that. And we're going to be in a nice, beautiful spot in Texas. So that'll be a nice place to get away and do that course. What else do we have coming up?
Well, we have our tried and trues. The next 6 are beginning with the TapRooT Root Cause Analysis course. So if you're new to TapRooT and you've been wanting to learn how to do a TapRooT investigation, this is the perfect opportunity to do that in 2 days and then come to the TapRooT Summit after.
That's a great suggestion. And also if you need we use the word refresher, it's been a while because we're always improving as well. You might want to take this course to see what's new, what's changed from the last time you had TapRooT training.
That's a good idea to take it too.
Yeah.
We've also got audits and proactive improvement using TapRooT, because a lot of people think that, or they know that TapRooT can be a proactive tool, but they don't use it that way. They just use it for reactive analysis. So this is a great opportunity to learn how to do audits using TapRooT and use TapRooT in other types of proactive ways as well. It's always great if you can avoid an incident altogether, right?
Absolutely.
And we've got Stopping Human Error with Mark Paradise, our very own Mark Paradise, the president of System Improvements. And he is a human factors expert and a board-certified ergonomist. So he's got a lot of qualification to teach this, and who wouldn't want to know how to stop human error at their facility?
It's a great course. I learned a lot. Just there's so many different methodologies out there. So it's should definitely check into that one. And we'll have below, when you go on our website, you can see all the different descriptions and topics about these too, just to elaborate some more.
Yeah, and I think Alex Paradise will be joining him and co-teaching that with him. We've got our TapRooT software course. That's always a good course if you use the TapRooT software, if you want to be sure that you're getting the most out of it. This is a great opportunity to get in there and really learn how to customize things and develop better reports and just all kinds of good stuff, how to use the advanced techniques and all that kind of stuff. We've got our course, Evidence Collection.
Yes, that was when I said, hold on, wait a minute, because I will not be able to be a participant in that communication course because we're going to be teaching a course, but it also has some components in there as well. When we're talking about emotional intelligence and some other things as far as evidence collection, and so of course I might be a little biased to say it's my favorite, but we'll be teaching that.
Yeah, we had a great time last year. So we will be talking about how to do investigative interviews and innovative ways to collect better evidence. And last year, Emily brought a new component to it on emotional intelligence. It's a very interesting section on how that relates to being an incident investigator. So we hope that you'll join us for that. And last but not least is Equifactor.
Yeah.
Equifactor equipment troubleshooting and root cause analysis. So our Equifactor course is really good for your maintenance people, for people that work on the equipment at your facility, but it doesn't just tell you how to do troubleshooting, although we have some really great troubleshooting tables in the software that you can use. But it also tells you how you can do a root cause analysis on those equipment failures so that you can fix them and they won't happen again.
Yes.
So I think that wraps it up. Did we go through all 9 already?
Yes, we did. So it's
Crash course.
chock full of awesome courses just to increase training. And like you said, if you're coming for pre-summit courses, stay the extra 3 days and enjoy the summit. We've got a wonderful venue. We're going to be at the Margaritaville Resort that's in Lake Conroe, Texas, Montgomery County, near Houston. I've never been, but I've been checking out all the photos and videos, so it looks like a really happening, fun place. So afterwards, when we're finished with sessions, there's still things that you can do there, golf and swim and play and relax after we've soaked up a bunch of information during the summit and our pre-summit. So
It's going to be awesome.
yeah, we hope to see you there.